Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Today we will, as you are seeing this screen in which I have added a sign in screen where, with a title and two text field and a button and a radio button and a forget button and a Google and Facebook button. So how we can create this type of complex UI? For this I have added some code already because it will be a large video for showing this writing the whole code in the video. So I have already added a code. So let's start with the first of all I have added a header to create this header beside. So welcome the text and vertical stack inside the vertical stack, and there will be a welcome text. You can okay. So this is how we can create a header view. For now we can fold this. As you can see this is for only for the header, and for the radius on the bottom left I have created a shape here, custom type of shape, where you need to put the corner from which corner you want to add a radius, and implement that in a clip shape. So this is for creating a header view. And now here I have created a login view. For a login for this one view I have created a already login view. So I have added an email and password type of state type of variables, and is remembered is for uh, enable disabling the this remember me radio button, and email and password will be for text field. So let's start. I have added a Z stack and a V stack. Z stack is added so it will cover all the screen, and V stack will be for adding this one. So you can see the code here. Here I have added a top view. This will be a top view where we will implement the custom segment buttons of type of login and sign up. Then we have custom text field. These type of custom text field you can create here like this. I have already field text, placeholder text, image name, and this type of secure. Then if I will for the image on the left side I have already added an image here, and the image name will be passed from where it will be called. So other is is secure is for checking the that do you want text field type of simple type of text field, or password type of text field where you cannot show the content inside the text field. So this is for text field modify. And the for the border I have added a text field modifier here. Let me show. Here I have added some rectangle type of corner radius of 25. So because its height is 50, so according to that I have added a corner radius 25, and the stroke is for our upper border, and the shadow is for lower border, but we have not given the radius much enough, so it will not look like that it is given a border. It is also it is shadow. So let's see where it is called. So now we have the custom text field created here, called here. So for that we have added a 20 leading and 20 space from leading and trailing, and here I have added a top 20 and 10 bottom. Now we have a remember me. For that I have created remember me. If the intro is remembered, then the image will be checked, otherwise it will be unchecked. It will depend on this variable. So this is for image and this is for text. Then it will be forget password. Then we have this one. We have image here, and inside the Z stack there is another Z stack. So it will be in center, and I have in frame of 60 64 one color white. So foreground color is white because the button tint color is in blue already, so you need to change the tint color. Radius is 30 because it is 60. So this is for as you can see. Now we have a bottom here, this one. For this one we have created this code. So all you can see is that you can create this type of UI, but I have not created a video for whole code during the writing, so it will be a large video. So you can find this code. I will put this code on GitHub. I will provide link in description, so you can check this code out, because it will be a long way to describe by writing code, and it will take a 1 to 1 hour. So either I need to fast forward this video, but then you will not understand what is going on. So that's it. That's the today's tutorial, that shows that how you can create this kind of UI. For the code I will provide a link in description, so you can get the code. And that's it for today's tutorial. In the next tutorial we will implement a Firebase login with this UI and create a sign up same as a login UI. So thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and to integrate the Firebase login, we will complete this in next tutorial. Thank you so much.